Welcome to Attendum, an all-in-one platform designed to meet all your attendance monitoring needs. Whether it's for students, staff, visitors, conferences or events, Attendum has got you covered. In addition to traditional systems that utilise common ID cards, Attendum also offers mobile phone integration for registering attendance. Importantly, the latest model of Attendum operates on proximity, eliminating the need for any user interaction. This means that users don't need to tap in, swipe, scan or enter any passcodes in order to register. They simply enter the room and Attendum does the rest through an app installed on users' mobile phones. This provides an incredibly intuitive user experience. Subsequently, their presence is registered at regular intervals for more precise monitoring, ensuring a better accuracy as well as a more streamlined process for admin staff. For in-depth information on the registration methods, please refer to our dedicated videos on registration by phones and by proximity. Attendum offers numerous advantages over other attendance monitoring systems. In particular, our registration devices are completely wireless and last for nearly 2 years on a single battery. Thanks to a patent-pending system, both power usage and network load are minimised. As a result, you'll experience virtually no network spikes at peak times, such as 9 a.m, and limiting the need for costly wiring or concerns about network capacity. Registration is fast and secure, and users can monitor their attendance via a web dashboard or mobile app. Staff can manage their time, request holidays and corrections, while line managers can review and approve these requests as needed. Benefiting from our patent-pending technology, Attendum is exceptionally cost-effective. You have the flexibility to purchase the system and pay in one lump sum or in a few instalments. We also offer rental options for temporary needs such as conferences and events. Importantly, we provide a free trial where you'll receive the device and can use it for a set period, such as an academic term or 3 months, before making any commitment. Please see our video on our pricing models for further details. Should you have any questions or require further details or a demo, don't hesitate to get in touch with us via our Contact Us form. Thank you for listening and for finding out about Attendum.